Hi, Dave here for RealWheels with a quick look at the additional accessories available for our American-made twist and lock aero covers. An exclusive feature of the RealWheels aero covers is the ability to add an optional anti-theft key lock to any of our aero covers. All covers come laser scored, so the lock can be added at any time. Or you can order the aero covers with the lock installed at the factory. The lock engages into the twist and lock bracket and allows for secure installation and easy removal of the aero covers. A model of our Easy Access Air Valve Extension Kit is available for all of our aero covers. Since the twist and lock aero covers are easy to install and remove, air valve extensions are not required. However, this optional kit allows for even easier and more convenient access to the air valves when checking tire pressure. The braided stainless steel extensions mount securely to the Easy Access air valve tabs, which in turn mount easily to our twist and lock bracket. Since all covers are made right here in the USA at our factory in Gurnee, Illinois, RealWheels is able to offer fleets and OEMs custom laser cut logos. This is a great branding opportunity and a way to really personalize your aero covers. Also available is our LED AirGuard Set Go. This active tire pressure monitoring system starts flashing red if the tire pressure drops 5 to 10 psi. The AirGuard is a great addition to all our aero covers, especially our Aero Clear and Aero Stainless with window. These twist and lock aero covers and accessories are the result of years of research, development, and field testing, experience you can depend on. For more information, view our other aero cover videos, visit our website at RealWheels.com, request or download our aero catalog, or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180.